YouTube fans, welcome back to my channel. Honestly, today is just a simple day, right? Yeah, it's 4th of July, but I'm not doing that big cookout. I'm just doing just a little something on my grill today. All right, so right here I have salmon. So this is a piece of salmon, and honestly I'm doing it in foil paper with pumpkin, corn, scotch bonnet pepper, thyme, pumpkin noodle, and you know, some seasoning, some jerk seasoning. Honestly, I've never done it like this before, but for some reason I'm standing here, I put the salmon, I was just gonna put it on the grill, and boom, idea come in my head to try, and I'm gonna try it. So I'm gonna come back and show you guys what that looked like once I'm done with it on my grill. And also on my grill, I'm gonna be having just a regular grilled salmon, which I have seasoned up in a separate container. So this is my salmon steak that I have seasoned up in a separate container, and it's just coarse salt, some black pepper, and olive oil. And I'm gonna let this marinate for about 2 hours before I put it on my grill. All right. And also on my grill, I'm gonna be having I'm gonna be doing some jerk chicken, and I'm gonna do some ribs. All right. And I'm gonna season my ribs, and then I'm gonna come back and show you my ribs after I season it. My jerk chicken was seasoned and in my fridge for about 4 or 5 days, which is what I always like to do. I honestly didn't plan to do anything today, but I'm here and I'm like, you know what, I'm bored, let me just throw some stuff on my grill, you know. So that's how this 4th of July is going down at my house. And also I'm gonna be having corn in foil paper, and I'm gonna do my butter seasoning that I'm also gonna show you. Once I'm preparing that, I'm gonna show you guys what that looks like. I'm gonna also throw a couple pieces of yellow yam on the grill, because we're not doing any rice today. I'm just gonna do some yam. I have a sweet potato that I'm gonna throw on the grill. We're gonna be doing the corn, the jerk chicken, the ribs, salmon, and that's how this is going down today. All right, so stay tuned. I will be back to show you the rest of the stuff that I'm gonna be throwing on my grill today. Happy 4th, everyone who celebrates 4th of July. Happy 4th of July to y'all. All right, I will be right. Okay guys, so welcome back. So now guys, I'm doing my seasoned butter corn in foil paper, and I honestly completely forget that I was gonna show you guys how I make it. So all I did was put some all-purpose seasoning in here in the butter and mix it up. And what I do is I just put it over my corn. As you can see, I already started that one, and then just wrap it in the foil paper. And then what I'm gonna do is just put it on my grill and let it roast. All right, so I'm gonna do another one and let you guys see. So put it on my foil paper, and I'm gonna use my brush, and I'm gonna brush it on. And guys, this tastes so good because the butter is gonna go right into that corn, and it's gonna give it that nice flavor. And then when it's roasted, it's gonna come out nice and golden brown. Again, wrap it in the foil paper, and make sure you seal the ends really well, because all that that butter is gonna melt and be coming right out. One more, I have another one, and this corn here, for some reason the hair is so hard to take off of them. It's like you spend most of your time trying to clean this corn. You wash it and it still has a lot of hair, but guess what, we can get through that, right? get in the rest of my butter from my container. And I have another recipe also, guys, where I mix this batter and deep fry them, and trust and believe me when I tell you, it tastes so good. India, I went to India to visit some friends, and we went to a restaurant, and that was where I first had the corn. What they do is they season the grains, and not the corn on the cob, but the grains, the single grains, and they dip them in some kind of batter and deep fry them. And when I said that was delicious, that was so delicious, I'm not gonna lie. So alright guys, as you can see, I have 5 corn, the other 3 is inside, and I just gonna put these on the grill now, and I'm gonna come back and show you once I'm done what they look like. Okay, so guys, there is my grill. I have yam, yellow yam, a sweet potato, and that's my grill. My I'm sorry, my ribs that I'm letting what they say now, like halfway cook before I put it on the grill, because I want it to be nice and tender and falling off the bone. Alright guys, so my corn is gonna go on that top shelf. I'm gonna come back and show you guys as I move along. Alright guys, so don't forget again to like, share, subscribe. Don't forget to tell a friend to tell a friend. Angel Delight is doing some grilling in her backyard, and I'm asking you to join me, watch my video, like and share. Don't forget to comment though to tell me what you guys think. Alright, stay tuned. There we go folks, so I am back to show you what's on the grill. As you can see, my ribs and my jerk chicken haven't started browning up yet, but I'm gonna continue to do this grilling today. 4th of July, just a small little thing, no big 4th of July bashment, just a small little grilling, and play some Ludi later on. And again guys, as you can see, everything is coming along very nicely. My corn is almost ready, and my ribs, my yam, my sweet potato, and of course my jerk chicken. Alright guys, so stay tuned. I'm gonna come back and show you as I continue cooking outside of my grill today. Alright guys, stay tuned. Hey guys, so welcome back. As you can see, my salmon is on the grill, and that is gonna be on one side for about 5 to 7 minutes, or until it's like brown. I like mine brown, so then I flip it on the other side, and the same procedure. So in the foil paper guys, as I showed you in the beginning of the video, I did some corn, and my camera is acting up. All right, here we go. So I did some corn, and as I showed you in the video before, and losing my train of thoughts. Yes, foil paper salmon, never done it before, so I'm trying it today guys. I'm gonna have bloopers, and more bloopers. So again, let me start again. In the foil paper, it's salmon with corn, noodles, some seasoning. I showed it to you in the beginning part of the video. I've never done that before, so here I am doing it for the first time, and I'm gonna let you guys know how it tastes. So guys, I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna flip my salmon over. The next time I come to this video guys, I'm gonna show you everything. Once I have everything ready, I'm gonna show you guys a video, and I'm gonna show you when we're getting ready to eat. So guys, stay tuned. I will see you in a few once everything is put together. All right guys, stay tuned. I will be back. So there we go guys, I flipped the salmon over. I know I said I was gonna come back and show you. I just wanted you guys to see what it looks like on the other side once I flip it over. All right, okay guys, so stay tuned. I promise this time I'll be back to show you everything that I prepared today. All right, hey guys, so welcome back. So my 4th of July meal is ready, and guys, as you can see, I have, okay guys, so I completely forgot about the salmon. So here we go. That's the salmon in the foil paper. All right, like I said, this video has a lot of bloopers, you know. It's what it is. No one is perfect, right? There we go. All right guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna enjoy the heck out of this meal. Like I said before, see you on my next video. Peace.